Hello friends, I am Dr. Sadeep. In my channel, I will be doing videos concerning the practical application of homeopathy. How to practice homeopathy in a very classical way. I have already done many videos on these subjects, friends. If you are interested in mastering the techniques of homeopathic practice, then I have explained step by step. So please come to my channel and observe, see those videos, friends. If you like this type of subjects, please like, share and subscribe our channel. So today's subject is how important is the potency compared to the totality of the medicine. So that is to say, we usually worry about these potencies, which potency to give after finding the totality of the symptoms. That is to say, if you have come to a totalitarian medicine, individualistic medicine, then it is the next point in which potency the medicine to be given. So how important it is like. So in my understanding, all homeopathic medicines will act. But if it is totality is reached, individualistic medicine is properly evaluated and we come to the individualistic medicines, the potency will matter very little according to me. Only in some acute and only in some chronic cases. So this will be very important to see into the potency aspect. So usually the patients will not be coming across homeopathic medicines a lot. Due to that reason, the individualistic medicine, totalitarian medicine will trigger action in the patients. So potency does not have much importance compared to the totalitarian medicine or individualistic medicine. Only in few cases who are exposed to the homeopathic medicine in acute and in chronic diseases will need the accurate choice of medicines potencies. That is to say, there are few medicines which can be used in daily routines in any potencies like 1x, 2x, 3x, 200C, 1m and everything. Usually the rule is in posology, the rule is the susceptibility of the patient is considered. So patient susceptibility is always towards the individualistic totalitarian medicines. So if you choose that type of medicine, if you choose the accurate medicine, let the potency be lower, let the potency be in medium pace, or let the potency be in very high potency. All the potencies will act on the patients until and unless his susceptibility is changed. Many a times, if you give 200 2 or 3 times, so fourth time or fifth time, it may not act because his susceptibility has already acted on that medicine. Due to that reason, he needs a higher potency medicines. In these conditions, you must raise the potencies. So if you are much confused about this potency aspect, I advise you that there is no much jungling or there is no much worrying about these potencies, friends, because this potency, all potencies will act if the medicine is reaching the totalitarian aspect. If it is an individualistic medicine, then nothing to be worried, because usually some people use 1x, 2x, 3x, 6x, 12x like that. But it is unfortunate, we must not use those type of subjects in children's and in what to say, like organ stimulating medicine. You can use 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, 6x, 12x. But if you want to cure the dynamical disease, you must use at least 30 or 200 potency. According to my practical knowledge, I am suggesting you, friends. So this is just a beginning, because there are millions of potencies which we are still not evaluated, still we have not studied the efficiency of these potencies and which potency will act on which type of susceptible persons. So this is a big research topic in homeopathy. There are a few people working on it. So the new investigations or a new scientific researches to be done on this potency aspect. So this is all today, friends. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. In future also I will be doing such videos. This is all today. Thank you. Take care, friends.